Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back if you are one of my lovely returning viewers, and welcome if you're new. Hello, lovely to have you with us. Today I am filming an unboxing of a gift. Now if you follow me on Instagram you will have seen that on a few days ago, about 6 days ago, I was out running and I fell and managed to headbutt the pavement with my face. So I've got a massive wound under here, so I've got a headscarf on. I've got two black eyes which you can actually still see. I put white foundation, Lock-It foundation, KVD concealer, but I think you can still see the dark bits of bruise coming through, and my nose just swelled up to about 4 times the size. There's a cut on it, there's bruises. Anyway, it's a thing. But it meant that I was going to be doing a makeup challenge with my friend Teresa, who you know, but I wasn't really able to do a makeup challenge because I can't show anything from about here upwards, and plus I can't go over where the cuts are because they're not healed properly yet. Blah 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 blah, boring. Anyway, just before this happened I received a big parcel, and this is from a lovely lady called Ari, or Ari, I don't know how to pronounce it, but I can't believe that someone could be this generous. She lives in a place called Alhambra in California, and she watches my videos and she follows me on Instagram, and she was very kind and said could she send me some makeup. I talk about it a bit more in the video coming up, but I said that'd be lovely. I thought she was just going to send me a lipstick, and she sent me a massive great big box. So it sat on the side whilst my face was like a big purple potato, and I just wanted to open it and I wanted to look inside, but I've saved it for today. I mean, I still look reasonably rough, but I've saved it for today and I'm really excited to open it and show you what's inside. And Ari, thank you very much. I don't know what it is, but thank you. And yeah, if you'd like to see me unboxing a big box of things that I don't know what's in it really, keep on watching. Here's the box. I've taken all the labels and addresses and everything off it. I can see that it costs $72 to post it, which is a lot of money, and it cost about the same in customs for me to get it from the airport to my house. So this is just unbelievably generous. So I've only just cut it open with a knife. I haven't looked inside it. So I mean, Ari did give me a bit of an idea of what she might be sending me, but I haven't looked, so I can't know. Here we go. So there's some nice silver paper. You take that off. Oh, she's written me a lovely letter. Oh, and she's thanking me for my lovely YouTube content, and it helps keep her in high spirits in difficult times, which is brilliant, because that's one of the main reasons I like doing these videos, is to just spread a little joy. So thanks, Ari, that's so sweet. So then she's got all sorts of lovely packing materials, and oh my goodness, the first thing that I can see, when she said to me that she was going to send this, I couldn't quite believe it. It's a Natasha Denona palette. It's one of the 5-pan palettes. I'm just undoing it in the box here, and it is the Jubilee palette, and it looks like this. I will put some close-ups in for everybody to see what, to see what the colours are like, but look how beautiful. I never thought I would ever own any Natasha Denona, and here I have a £5 palette, so that's very exciting. So that's Natasha Denona. We'll put her around the front there. And the whole point about why she wanted to send me things was because I did a video about lipstick. I don't know if you saw it. And hang on. I was bemoaning the fact that you couldn't get sleek old Hollywood anymore where I live. And she said, oh, see it all the time where I live. I'll get you some. So I said, oh, that'd be lovely. And she has just... I can't believe that she sent me all this stuff, to be fair. She sent me 3 old Hollywoods. She has sent me... oh my God. A Lime Crime Diamond Crusher. Oh my God, in the shade Trip. I haven't got a single thing Lime Crime at all, and I used to like look at the website at the Diamond Crushers and think, geez Louise, they're so gorgeous. I mean, this is oh my God. Then there's one lipstick here. No, it's not a lipstick, it's a colour corrector by Dragon Beauty, who I haven't heard of, I have to admit. And it's a colour corrector. Oh, look how pretty. So that's really something that I haven't actually got. So that's brilliant. So I'll put that there. And oh, Black Moon Cosmetics. You just can't get them in this country. It's a liquid to matte lipstick in the shade Sleepwalker. I wonder what that is. Let's have a look. This is so exciting. Oh my God, the beautiful packaging. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, perfect black lipstick by Black Moon Cosmetics. I don't know what to say. It's so lovely. It's so lovely. So let's put that here. We'll put that there. And here we have, an Essence Volume Stylist 18-hour lash extension mascara. You know we're going to love that. Where I'm going to be up for 18 hours to wear it though, I have no idea. And also in that little baggie were two Lime Crime liquid lipsticks. There's one here in the shade Blood Moon, which looks absolutely... oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, now then. That is something else. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this one, they're the Velveteens, for those people that know. It's called Scandal. So let's have a look at this one. Ooh. I'm just dropping the boxes on the laminate floor. That's why they're making such a noise. This one called Scandal. Oh, they smell divine. Is more of a sort of, ooh, look at that. That's just like a sort of blackberry. Oh, that's just divine. And also in that little baggie is an e.l.f. 4-pan eyeshadow palette, and that is if I can I open it? Possibly, possibly not. I will do that and then do some swatches in the close-up so you can see it, because I don't want to be sitting here attempting to open things, because that's not much fun for you. And there is more. There is more. She has sent me, oh my God, 9 shade Juvia's Place palette. The Warrior 2. Now let's I've never had any Juvia's Place either. So this is, whoop, this is I've just broken the packaging, but it's just cardboard box, so it doesn't matter. I'm in a, oh, and it's all beautiful and wrapped up and all padded inside. And here we have the Warrior 2. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Some of those colours would really be nice with what I'm wearing today, actually. I'm very excited to try that. Very excited. I'll just put that on my lap. And there's more. Oh my God. I looked at this for the longest time and didn't buy it. And it's the Revolution Patricia Bright Rich in Colour palette. Oh my God. Oh, Ari, I just can't tell you. This is amazing. Thank you so much. I mean, half of you have probably got this palette, but is it stuck down? No, it's not stuck. It's just me being, oh, there we go. Oh my God, look at those colours. Oh, I can't wait to try a look with these. I mean, seriously. I don't know. I don't know what to say. I mean, thank you is such a small and not enough phrase. And she has also sent me a dress. A lovely, I'll put the box down, a lovely dress with embroidered flowers and crochet, and it's a halter neck. So, gosh, I hope I can squeeze into this because it's really lovely and it would be ideal for summer. So that is my box of gifts from my lovely friend Ari, and I'm so grateful. I don't know what to say really apart from that, because what else can you say when someone has been so kind and sent you so many lovely things? So thank you very much for watching this video. I know unboxings are a popular thing, but I don't think I've seen many gift unboxings, and this is just, I've never known such amazing generosity. All these beautiful things and things that I've always wanted as well. I don't know what to say. Ari, my friend, thank you. And once the weather gets a bit warmer, I will be trying the dress on and I can share that with everybody as well. So thanks ever so much, my friends. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, because I will know if you don't. Take care of each other. Please be careful out there. And above all, stay strange. Bye for now, everybody.